Want 500 a day? From home? In 2025? Listen up. These 5 secret side hustles can get you there. And I'm not talking about filling out surveys or some other garbage that pays you pennies. I'm talking about real businesses, real clients, real money. We're going to break down 5 high-leverage ways to make bank from your bedroom. I'm giving you the exact blueprint, the numbers, the strategies. This is a no-fluff zone. This isn't a get-rich-quick fantasy. This is a get-rich-smart strategy. Each of these 5 hustles can legitimately hit 500 a day, 15,000 a month, 180,000 a year. Think about what that kind of money could do for you. Quit your job, travel the world, buy your dream car. It's all on the table. This is a 10-minute breakdown. Timestamps in the description if you want to jump around, but you won't want to miss a second. If you're tired of being broke and ready to start making life-changing money, you're in the right place. Do me one quick favor. Hit subscribe for weekly money-making guides. Alright, first up is something anyone with a skill can do. High-ticket freelance consulting or coaching. Forget charging $20 an hour on platforms. That's for amateurs. Package your expertise into a high-value project businesses pay thousands for. Every business has a problem. More leads, better marketing, smoother workflows, anything. Solve that problem. Charge a premium. Pick a niche. Don't be a generalist. Be a specialist. Generalist, $20 an hour. Specialist, $200 an hour. Don't just be a graphic designer. Be the go-to for tech startup logos. Writing. Be the expert in e-commerce email campaigns. The more specific you are, the more you can charge. People pay for experts. That's the key to high-ticket prices. Stop thinking hours. Start thinking value. Don't say 10 hours at $50 an hour. Say, that's a $500 project. Sell the result. I'll build you a system that brings 20 qualified leads a month. Sell the result, not the time. How much is that worth? Thousands. Charge $3,000. See the difference? You're selling outcomes, not time. To hit 500 a day, you don't need 100 clients. Just 1 or 2 high-ticket clients a month. A $5,000 project over 2 weeks beats the goal. 10,000, you're crushing it. 2 of those a month, done. This is how top freelancers operate, trading solutions for massive paychecks. Where to find clients? Forget platforms. Go direct. LinkedIn is your best friend. Find decision makers, CEOs, marketing directors, heads of sales. Connect with a personalized message. Point out a problem. Suggest a fix. Show you did your homework. Get them on a 15-minute call. On the call, don't sell. Diagnose. Ask questions. Find their biggest pain. The second hustle is so new, so cutting edge, that 99% of people have no idea it exists. In 2025, this will be one of the most in-demand skills. AI prompt engineering and custom agent builds for businesses. From your local pizza shop to massive corporations, everyone's trying to use AI. Most are failing. They don't have time to learn it. That's where you come in. They're AI guy. You don't need to code. You need to talk to AI well. Prompt engineering is writing instructions that get the best output. Businesses need this for writing marketing copy, generating social content, summarizing reports, and customer service scripts. Build them a library of perfect prompts. Or better, sell custom AI agents. Use no-code platforms to make chatbots trained on their data. Imagine a real estate agent that knows all listings, answers client questions 24/7, and schedules viewings. How much is that worth? Price it with a one-time setup fee, $3,000 to $5,000, plus a monthly retainer of $500 to $1,000. One client could hit your 500 a day goal. 2 or 3 clients at that model can be $30K a year per client. Sell with a demo. Take their FAQ, feed it into a custom agent, and build a customer service bot in 30 minutes. Show boring FAQ versus interactive chatbot. Send a short video demo. They'll be blown away. This is high leverage. You're the bridge, the AI translator. Law firms summarizing case files. Agencies generating ad variations. Stores giving personalized recommendations. Every business is a potential client. The market is massive and untapped. Start with one no-code builder this weekend. Tutorials, guides, mastery. Build demos, reach out on LinkedIn, get them on a call. This is the modern gold rush. Get in now. Hustle number 3 is for persuasive people. Remote, high-ticket closer. If you can sell, you can make serious money from your couch. Forget door-to-door. You sell expensive offers over Zoom and take big commissions. Here's how it works. Thousands of businesses sell high-priced programs, services, and software. Founders are brilliant at product, but they hate selling or are too busy. They are desperate for good closers. The business generates leads, books calls on your calendar. You show up, follow a proven script, and close. You're the final step. No cold calling, no prospecting, only warm, hand-raised leads. Commissions are wild. 10 to 20% is common. A $10,000 sale at 15% is $1,500 from a 1-hour call. Do that once a week and you're at $6,000 a month. To hit $500 a day, close one $5,000 deal every other day at 20%. How do you find deals? Network. Get into Facebook and LinkedIn groups, online coaches, SaaS founders, marketing agencies. Don't ask, "Can I be your salesperson?" Say, "I help founders close more deals so you can focus on delivery." Open to a chat. Position as a partner. Imagine your day. Wake up, check your calendar, 3 pre-booked warm calls. Spend a few hours on calls, close 1 or 2, make a couple grand, and you're done. Do it from anywhere. This is reality for thousands of closers right now. The holy grail of passive income, but with upfront work, is a niche micro SaaS. SaaS is software as a service. Think Netflix and Spotify, but we're building a small tool that solves one specific problem. You can build it with no code or low code. The game: find a niche pain. Build a solution, charge a subscription. Don't build the next Facebook. Find a small but painful industry problem. Dentists waste time on reminders. Build a tool that integrates their calendar and auto-sends customized SMS. Build an MVP. Simple, but functional. Get it into real users' hands fast. Use builders like Bubble, Softer, Glide. No code required. Sell subscriptions, monthly or annual, not one-time fees. Charge $49 a month. 10 offices is $490 a month. 100 is $4,900. To hit 500 a day, $15K a month. About 300 customers at $50 a month. Supporting 10 versus 300 isn't that different when it's automated. Software works 24/7 while you sleep. This disconnects your time from income, a true digital asset. Another path: paid Chrome extensions. Automate a browser task, like pulling real estate data or checking grammar, and charge 5 to 10 a month. A few thousand users equals full-time income. Solve business problems, not consumer ones. Target boring industries: construction, plumbing, landscaping. It takes time to find the idea, build the MVP, and get your first 10 customers. Then the snowball becomes an avalanche. A successful micro SaaS is a sellable asset, worth hundreds of thousands or even millions. That's how you build generational wealth. Perfect for creatives. Create and sell high-value digital asset bundles. Every video, post, website, and ad needs assets. Video templates, background music, 3D models, AI prompts, stock footage, design templates. Don't sell one transition. Sell a $297 starter pack. 100 transitions, 50 titles, 20 lower thirds, plus royalty-free music. Create once, sell infinitely. Target a specific creator niche. Game-ready 3D models, 200 lo-fi beats for streamers, or a Midjourney mastery pack with 1,000 prompts. Price at $197. 3 sales a day is $591. Sell via your site with Shopify or Gumroad, or use big marketplaces for reach. Take it further with B2B licensing. One company, unlimited use, 5 to 10,000 a year. Agencies need assets at scale. Show quality and time saved versus building from scratch. It's an easy sell. One deal can cover a whole month. Create value at scale. Put in the work up front, then let the product sell 24/7. If If you can design, edit, produce music, model in 3D, or even write great prompts, you can do this. Stop trading time for money. Productize your skills so thousands can buy. That's the secret to scaling as a creative and hitting 500 a day with ease. And there you have it. 5 ways to reach 500 a day from home in 2025. Consulting, AI agents, remote closing, micro SaaS, and digital asset bundles. Don't do all 5. Pick one, the one that excites you and fits your skills, then focus, iterate, and don't give up. Smash like, subscribe, and check the description for tools and templates. Comment which hustle you want a full deep dive on. I'll make it next. See you in the next video.